Mahashivratri greetings to all of you. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Zesty Nimbu. This is Shri Rekha. Today I am going to show you what is Panchamrut, how to make it and use that in Abhishekam of Lord Shiva. So let's see that. Mahashivratri greetings to everyone. We do Abhishekam of the Shivling with Panchamrut. So what is Panchamrut? Panchamrut is nothing but cow ghee, sugar, cow milk, cow yogurt or curd and honey. So with these we make Panchamrut. So I'll just show you what exactly has to be done. So we add some milk to cow ghee, some curd, some sugar and then some honey. That's it. So this is our Panchamrut. So with this we can do the Abhishekam of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. Our Panchamrut is ready. So we can use this to do Abhishekam of Lord Shiva.
नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो अमेकस्य दुर्मतिरकालो अवस्थिरा भगवत्यस्तनुष्वमेकस्तोकाय तनयाय मृडया श्रीकृष्णमशिवतमश्चराप्तिरुच्यते श्रीमदाधारयद्देवः यद्विष्णो मेघमुत्तमम्